Today, I'm going to use the Kona Grill Cleaner to clean my Weber Smokey Mountain grill top. These grills are really well used, and it's just about time to either get them a deep cleaning or to replace them. So let's go ahead and take the lid off and set that down. And I've got the close-up cam here so you can see exactly what I'm doing here. It's relatively low as far as the amount of stuff on here. I use grill mats all the time, so there shouldn't be a big deal. Now, there's settings on here. And we're going to go ahead and turn it to the spray setting because I want to cover a wide area. I don't really like the stream setting. And I'm just going to go ahead and get that sprayed up. Now, from what I can see, this should work perfectly fine on a cool grill. Now, I'm going to go ahead and let this set for a minute. And then I'm going to scrub it down and see how it goes. So we'll be right back. All right, so we've let the grill sit for 1 minute with the cleaner on it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and try scrubbing it and see what happens. All right, look at that. You can see on the close-up cam that it's just coming out silver almost instantly. And I'll hold it up on the big one there so you can see it on that one too. That is amazing. I just sprayed it and let it sit for 1 minute. And I didn't apply any heat or anything. And just like that, it's looking like a brand new grill grate. Wow. That's pretty impressive. I'm going to go ahead and flip it over. And I'll do the exact same thing. So I'm going to give it a little spray here. And then I'm only going to wait for about 5 or 10 seconds this time. So I want to mention that I'm using a wound bristle brush, but with my final cleaning, I'm going to use the Kona coil brush just to make sure none of these bristles get off there. I have really good luck with these, but better safe than sorry. I pretty much gave up completely on the regular brush with the pad style heads. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do that, and we're going to watch it on the close-up cam again. And it definitely needs a little bit more time to sit. You can see that it's not coming off quite as easily on this go-around. So I'll do it again later to make sure that we get it completely clean. But I got to tell you that that looks really good. One brush across there, and then just for safety, we'll run our coil brush across it a couple of times. Oh, and this coil brush fits this Weber grill really well. This coil brush is also Kona brand. I'm really happy with what I see here. So there is a demo of the Kona brand grill cleaner. So check that out.